Hey guys, what is going on? Taqi here with another video, and in today's video I want to reveal one of my site which is making me more than $3,000 per month just from one client. Now I could just go ahead and rent out different pages to different clients, but because my client raised a concern that he doesn't want anyone else on this page, their competitors and things like that, so I've agreed, and then we are charging them a little bit high because he doesn't want us to rent out the other pages. Now what I want to show you is this site looks very simple. We just have privacy policy, about us, contacted, and then high quality header which we have created, and then the image which says that this site is ready to be rented, and few articles. That's about it. So the main magic is doing your keyword research correctly. If you don't do your keyword research correctly, you will not be able to close the client. Now trust me on this, closing clients for this business model, it's pretty easy. That's because they are in roofing business. We are ranking on page 1 for long tail keywords. Now the magic, like I said, is in the research, the keyword research. Now if you check my previous video, I've given you a huge list of high paying SEO niches, so you can take any niche from there. That's a list that I personally use and my team use to build the sites for myself and for my clients, so you can go ahead and check that out. So this all are roofing contractor, even though they are targeting different keywords. As you can see, everyone is targeting different keywords, and you can see the number of advertisers targeting this keyword. So we have close to 300 advertisers here, and they are paying up to $30 per click. That means when someone clicks on their site, Google charge them $30. So that's where we come in. We go and approach them saying that hey, we have a site ranking on page 1 of Google, and we are looking for someone to rent it out. So would you be interested? And yeah, that's a very easy sell, because they have a budget for adverts and Yelp and different type of advertisement that they are doing, and we are going and telling them that hey, we have created this site and we are going to rent this out for you. So what happens when you rent it out using a software that we use? I don't want to get into the softwares and things like that because it's going to take a lot of time to explain you. I can, if you want, explain more about the software that we use to rent out our sites and take PayPal and Stripe payments in later video. So we just go ahead and tell them that it's ranking on page 1, would you be interested? And then what we do, using the software, we put their website here. So whenever someone visits this site, it automatically loads their site. So for privacy reason, I have removed the client site right now. I don't want to reveal it because hundreds and thousands of people will be watching this video on YouTube. So I don't want to reveal the client details here, but I've showed you the basic idea on how to do this. And if you want to learn more about this, guys, I have done a live webinar. It's a 25 to 30 minutes webinar where we go into step-by-step details on how my team create and rank and rent the sites, and the software we use, the script we use to close this clients. Out of this around 300-ish clients, if we could just close one, we have a $2,000, $3,000 business just from one site. So if you could just focus on creating one site a month, just one site a month, rank it on Google first page using PBNs and other link building methods, and then you go ahead and call them. You have the advertisers data here. Nothing is hidden from you. You can use this free tool, or you can sign up for their paid tool if you want, but I use a free tool and then other resources to find the leads. And there you have it. You have their website, so I can just go to this website and then just find out their contact details, their email ID, and go ahead and call them. I normally my team normally go ahead and call them, because email sometimes, it goes in the spam folder, or they don't check it. But when you have someone in the call and tell them, hey, I have this and I'm looking for someone to rent out this site, would you be interested? And then from there we get on Skype call and then close them for profits, and then what I do normally on Skype call is I tell them, hey, I have this 3 other pages and I'm going to rent it out to different businesses, is that okay with you? And they're going to, most of the time they will say, no, we don't want that. So that means, I have to increase the rental amount, and they are completely okay with that because they don't want their competitors on page 1 of Google. So that's a simple strategy, guys. The magic is, like I said, is in the keyword research. If you know how to do keyword research, you are going to win this game of virtual rental income. That's what I call it. And again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll be doing more videos on this business model, because this has completely changed my life and I want to help you do the same. So please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, post it below and I'll be happy to answer that for you. Thanks. You have a good day. See you in the next video.